Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 3.3 on trends in graphs. Here we have a blank graph, and I'm going to draw where it says here positive or an increasing slope on our graph. That's the word we're going to use. Slope gives us this idea of trend. So generally speaking, you could have just a whole bunch of dots on your graph. So let's make some bigger dots, maybe this big. Okay, so you have some dots on your graph, but when you're asked to draw a trend line, to get a trend of what that looks like, you kind of look in the middle of all those dots and you draw a line to show where that is. So this would be a positive or an increasing slope. Down here, we're going to have negative. So that's, if you always think, when you're thinking about trends, think left to right. So if you're reading left to right, like you do in English, left to right, like we start with P for positive and then with the E. So left to right. If we do that for a graph, it's the same way. So if we go left to right, does it go up or does it go down? Well, it goes up, so it's increasing. So let's take a look here at a negative or decreasing graph. So if we have the opposite, so maybe some points up here, and now we have the opposite. So we have a decreasing graph. Maybe it looks something like that. And so you can see as you go left to right, it's decreasing. And kind of the other situation would be if you have no trend. So just a whole bunch of dots. It doesn't look like there's a trend. If anything, they're more kept in the middle. So if you were to draw a line, it would probably be a flat line going through the middle. That'd be no trend. So always thinking about these lines are the average, like generally speaking, what's going on, right? Okay, so rapid, sharp changes. Well, what could that look like? So if the bottom is time, if we're looking at the time, and we are wondering what are the rapid changes, or what is happening generally speaking. So in this case, because it's time, we could actually connect all our dots, and we can see that it's really, really sharp up and down edges. Whereas this red one here, is more or less up. It's just that maybe we had some error in our numbers. But here it's quite sharp changes. You can also look at a smooth or gradual / steady situation. This would be a situation that has dots like this. Okay, and so yeah, there might be changes, but they're fairly smooth. You could draw a rounded edge the whole time if you wanted. Alright, I hope this video helps you understand different trends in graphs. We have positive, we have negative, we've got no trend, we've got rapid changes, and gradual and smooth changes. Hope this video helps, and good luck.